Ako yung, oo, yung Englishera. Ano siya, Bisaya siya, parang hindi siya ata maalam mag-Tagalog. So, nag-i-English siya.
Okay, so you've been discussing.
Nakahain, Han, nakahain. Pero ikaw daw yung nakahain. Ano yun? Ano yun? Nakahain? Nakahain ba yun? Gago ka. Nakahain. Ako yung nakahain. Saan? Saan? Kakainin? Uy. Eto na. Hindi. Iba yung naka-PK ko.
Did Tanner give you a hard time today?
Hello, Jimmy. Sorry. Bakit?
Tyler threw a ball right at him.
Hi, Steven.
Why don't you tell us
sabi din
about
namin.
your family?
Uy.
Divorced. No.
Kasama mo si Abe.
No.
Hindi ko tinanong. Sarap lang.
Everybody's family has a moment of opportunity.
Tapos, makita ko.
Hello po siya. Wait lang, nakain ako. Sa akin, parang pahirapan, no? Parang nahihirapan na ako magpaano. At least nga alam ko na, pero wala naman akong pakialam. Eme lang.
Really? Why? Yeah.
Gulat nga ako, pinalo niya ako yun.
Ate, mahal mo?
Halangan.
Alam mo ba? Mahal mo na. Wala tayong magagawa. Mahal mo na.
Hindi. Bira lang ako. Tas, tag sa name kasi, tas after like nag-PM. Sabi? Yung to daw ay. Sino? Patingin niya ako, okay lang. Madaming bago sa farm namin.
That's fine. Just come on in.
Lilipat na ako na ibang farm. Pero hindi ko alam saan farm. Baka lumipat ako na ibang farm. Hindi siya sa Bigo. Saan?
Thank you.
Saan ba magandang farm, guys? If ever lang, baka maisipan ko sila.
Good for you. Go for it.
Hindi ko pa sure
Engage. You can't just sit there and wait for life to come. You look different.
Yeah, I know what people like you today. It's only because you missed summer. I'll work with her. She got it.
farm with you. Gawa tayong family.
Yeah, you don't seem
Uy,
like
hindi.
a cheerleader type.
Mysterious man.
This is her parents' time. Yeah, I mean, she's just totally going through a block phase. She was